A greeting to make any parent's day, but it means so much more to Leanne and Darren Preuss.
Last week, I picked him up from nursery and he saw me, and it's the first time he's really recognised me, and he smiled and he come over to me and he put his arms around me and gave me a kiss, and yeah, you can see it. Yeah, it was lovely.
Are you being silly?
I remember Darren and Leanne saying, will he ever recognise us? And it's a question we can't answer, and then one day it's like this little light bulb pops in, and Lewis knows that that's my mum and dad, and yeah, I'm going to run to them and cuddle them.
Lewis was diagnosed at 6 weeks old. Darren's a serving soldier, and the army's been a big source of support, along with a charity which put them in touch with others affected by genetic disorders.
Genetic disorders individually are very rare, but when you put them all together, they affect 1 in 25 children in the UK, which is 30,000 children born every year. So when you group these conditions all together, they become actually quite common.
Back from nursery, it's time for lunch. Lewis's stomach doesn't function properly, so he's fed through a tube into his intestine. He's hooked up for 16 hours a day, something he'll endure for life. It's just one of a number of issues he faces.
He has 2 holes in the heart, he has an airway obstruction, he has hypermobility, so all of his joints move in ways that they shouldn't. He has developmental delay, severe developmental delay.
Lewis's condition isn't life-limiting, but no one can predict how he'll develop. The family takes each day as it comes.
There's no cure for what Lewis has. He will never ever be cured. All we can do is cure his symptoms, and sometimes to realise that there is no cure is quite hard and quite heartbreaking.
The only hope that I have is happiness. That's all we want.
Just want him to be happy.
Lewis, should I like to play with something? Is there anything else you want to see?